So I'm going to go back to our project folder, and here we have styles.css, and I'm going to rename it styles.scss. And then on the command line, I'm going to make sure that I'm in this folder. It looks like I'm already here, but if you're not, you can use the cd or change directory command in order to move over to it. And what we'll do is do sass, and let's follow the syntax. So I'll split the screen with our reference here, and here's the line we want to use. So we're going to type sass styles.scss, and then we'll type the name of the CSS file, styles.css, and we'll hit enter. And now when we jump back to our directory, we'll see our styles.scss file and a styles.css file. At this point, they should be identical, but let's open them both up so we can make sure. So I'm going to drag these over to our editor, and we'll do a split screen. So if we scroll down on our CSS file here, we'll see that it's nearly identical to our SCSS file, with the difference that, at least in my installation, it's showing that there's a source mapping here. Now this is in a CSS comment, so it doesn't impact the CSS at all. And this is something that we'll come back to in a little bit, but for now we can ignore it. So this in itself is not very exciting. So let's start adding some excitement.